me for the first time and if you really like me and this channel, then make sure you go and click that subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you will receive notification for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. In today's video, I am going to show you guys some of the t-shirts, jackets and women clothing basically from a website called Yatree. I don't know whether it's a new website or something, but I haven't heard about this website before and I am very sure that you guys wouldn't have heard about this website before. But when I've gone through the website, I have seen a lot of collection at such an amazing price, so immediately I have ordered some of the items to show you guys some pictures, the price and everything about the items that I have got. So yeah, let's just get started.
Hey. Trunk open up, I saw myself good price out of sight. My whole got talent.
I told you guys already that I am going to review a lot of websites hereafter. So this is the second website I am reviewing. So yeah, let's just get started with the clothing items. The first one I have is this beautiful white jacket. So this is how it basically looks. It's kind of a mesh or lace material. So this is how it looks. I just worn a black t-shirt, half hand t-shirt and olive green pant, and then I worn this at the top of it, and that looked really good. It was so freaking classy. I loved how this looked on me. So all those chubby girls out there, if you want to wear something western, modern and all, you can try this jacket because this makes us look somewhat slimmer and also this makes us look good. It's really amazing, you guys. It has this zip over here. You can just zip it if you want, but I just want to leave it free, and that is how I worn it. And I really liked this jacket and I kind of fell in love with it. This is my favorite out of all, even though I'm not showing in any particular order. This is the one that I grabbed, but then still this is such an amazing jacket and I love it. The quality is really good. I was not a person who buy a lot of clothing items from an online website, but recently I am trying out a lot of websites because I just want to review them to you, and also I need a lot of clothing items basically because I don't have a lot of dresses. So yeah, that is why I am buying a lot of dresses from a lot of websites, and even this website is so good. The quality of everything is good. It's like just the same as I seen in the picture. There is no difference between the picture and the reality. I have got this jegging. It's kind of a jegging which has this, it's a toned jegging. This is the pant I have worn with all of these tops because we have gone to a park to take photo shoot, and basically I have changed my dress in a public toilet, and I was not able to change my pant in public toilet because it was kind of nasty. Even though it was not that much nasty, I couldn't able to change my bottom. So this is the pant I'm wearing in all the pictures. So it has this knot over here which you can tie it, and the fitting was amazing. My size is large, I believe, and the fitting was really good. Just go through the size chart and order. Even in this website, I really didn't have the size problem except for one t-shirt. That t-shirt was a little bit tight for me, so I will just tell you that while showing you that t-shirt. So when it comes to this pant, the fitting was really good and I really loved it. I love how the tone thing looks and all. The material is good. It's so soft and really good. I really didn't expect this much of a good quality for such an amazing price, and it's really a steal, you guys. I really like this pant. I love to wear jeans and jeggings and all. That is what I'm comfortable in. Also, this kind of jegging is really so good. So this is the only bottom that I have got and I really loved it. Okay, let me show you this t-shirt first. So yeah, I hope you can see. This is how it looks. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it's white with navy blue color, and in the middle you have this Eiffel Tower symbol and all. This one is like very much slim fit. It's like body hugging t-shirt. This was so perfect to my body, and because I have tummy and all, because I'm in a chubbier side, this was looking a little bit awkward on me. But if you are in a slimmer side, you can try this. But if you're chubby and if you have tummy, I won't suggest you to get this basically. So but then still the quality is really good. It's so soft and it's a nice cotton material. It looks as same as the one I saw in the website, but in the website I thought it's like a sweatshirt, but it's not a sweatshirt. It's a t-shirt. It's a full hand t-shirt. I like the quality and everything, but it was so body hugging. I don't really love to wear body hugging t-shirts in general. To all those college girls out there, do try this t-shirt. Not just this t-shirt. There are a lot of collections in the website. Just go and check their website out, and the collection is so bomb and the quality is also really good. So do not worry about the quality. Next up we have another top. It's basically a high-low top, but it's not that much of a high-low. In front the top will be a little bit smaller, and and in the back it will be a little bit longer. So this is how it looks basically. I love this top because the color is good, the print is good. I'm basically grey, black, white lover. I'm not a colorful person in general, but yeah, that is the reason why I love this so much. Even in the website I loved it, so I immediately added this to cart, and this didn't disappoint me. This is so good, you guys. Look at the sleeves and look at this part. It's so good. I really loved it, and also the fit was so perfect. It was like perfect on me. Just go by the size chart, know your centimeter, know your bust size, your hip size, your waist size, and then choose your size. You will get your perfect fit. It's a cotton material, so it feels really comfortable on the skin. This grey material is like cotton mix, and this checked material is completely cotton. It's full of cotton, 100% cotton. I really liked it. I love cotton dresses in general, so I really liked this top. This is like one of my favorite out of these. The last and my most favorite top is here. It's right here, honey, and this is how it looks. The print is bomb. I usually don't wear these prints, but I just want to try something new because I'm always wearing black dresses, white dresses and plain t-shirts, and also that's why I got this. And oh my god, it's so good, you guys. I loved it. I loved it so much. The length is not that much. It'll be it'll be above your hip basically, but it's so good. I loved it. It has this elastic thing over here. The material is damn soft. It feels like comfortable in our body, and that's what I love. I have mentioned this like a zillion times before. I love to wear comfortable dresses. That is the reason why I didn't like the white top that much. And also I like this net material over here. I didn't wear a strapless bra or transparent bra while wearing this t-shirt because, as I said, I changed my dress in public toilet and I wasn't able to change my straps, my bras and all. So I wore a black bra, black strap bra. And then, but it looked good. It was really good, you guys. I liked it. I loved it, and I would give this 10 out of 10. So you guys would have seen the picture, and if you really like this top, just go get this because this is so amazing. The quality is good and everything is really good. The neckline, everything is bomb. It's bomb. Then I got this belt over here, which I will show you on the picture, but I don't know where I kept that belt. I ordered that, I saw that belt, I tried wearing it on my hip and all, but then still I really don't know where I kept that belt. The quality of that belt was also so good. I saw Mumtaz wearing that belt in Bigg Boss. That is the reason why I ordered that, because it was good. We can wear that with gown and all. I liked it, so I got that. But it's missing, you guys. I don't know where I kept it, but the quality of that belt is also so good. So if you're looking to buy that belt, you can get this from Yardley. The last but not the least thing we have is this bra strap. It's transparent bra strap. I have seen in a lot of websites, but the transparent bra straps are like quite expensive compared to this. This website's transparent bra strap. I thought they will give only one, but they've given 3 of them. I've used one already and 2 of them are in the package. So there are like 3 sets, 3 sets of transparent bra straps. I immediately added this to cart. But the thing is, the quality isn't that good for this bra strap. It's like an okay-ish quality. If you have smaller bust, if you have smaller boobs, you can try this. But if you have heavy bust, this will not hold your boobs. That is the problem. But then still I managed to use this for a day, for a whole day. And yeah, it was quite good. It was kind of hurting over here. It was like pulling my skin. That is the reason it was feeling a little bit uncomfortable. Other than that, the strap is good. It's a good quality. It's not like an amazing quality. It's a good quality. For this price, you're getting 3 sets of bra straps. So these are the items I have got. I know there aren't a lot of items, but I cannot buy a lot of items in every website because I'm trying a lot of websites. So I will be showing like only 5 or 6 items in every website. So yeah, I hope you liked all these outfits. Now to talk about Yardley. It's a website like Club Factory, but the price is even more cheap than Club Factory. Example, you're getting an outfit. The price for that outfit is rupees 600 for everyone. Yes, you have to pay just 29 rupees to become a VIP. So if you are becoming a VIP, you can get that same dress for 200 or 300 rupees. That is the deal. As soon as I installed the app, I just checked everything. I've gone through everything. I've gone through some reviews, some articles and everything, and I got to know about the VIP thing, and I have paid 29 rupees and I become a VIP, and then I got all these things in such an amazing price. So if you want to buy anything at low cost, then become a VIP VIP by paying 29 rupees, and then you can buy any items. The difference between the normal price and the VIP price will be so much. I will also post kurti haul, like how to get kurtis in cheap price in my future videos. But as of now, these are all the items that I want to share with you all. So yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. If you really like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye from Kirti. Bye.